You guys, I'm on the motorcycle or dirt bike. Does this count? Yeah? I'm riding it. I'm sitting on it. What's up, guys? I just worked out at the gym, showered. I'm heading to Robert's house to watch the first Purdue basketball game, possibly. I have my family Purdue basketball shirt on. It used to be on BTN to go or something, and so we could always watch it, but now it's not, and we might have to pay to watch it. We may have to pay to watch it, so we'll see. But I'm heading over there now and gonna go hang out with him. He's packing up. He's going. Robert's going dirt biking and camping this weekend with one of his friends. I'm gonna go hang out with him since I'm not gonna see him all weekend, and help him pack up for his trip. So here we go. Hey.
Hi.
Hello. All right, we're gonna go to Jersey Mike's.
It smells weird in here.
Does it smell like banana?
Yeah, it does.
There you go, that's why. All right.
We are going to Mike's Jersey.
Okay, close enough. We're going to Jersey Mike's to get some dinner. And then Robert's probably gonna screw around on his bikes a little bit.
You know me too well.
Okay, you guys. So we can't watch the game.
Every store.
But Purdue is up 54 to what, 21?
Yeah.
In the first half. So we're happy. And now Robert's gonna teach me how to ride his motorcycle. Well, dirt bike.
Which one do you want?
I don't know. Wait, isn't that still a dirt bike?
Yeah.
That one's still a dirt bike, and then that's a what?
ATV.
ATV. You guys, I'm on the motorcycle or dirt bike. Does this count? Yeah? I'm riding it. I'm sitting on it.
Let's get back.
Okay. I'm so scared right now. Okay.
I need to put my legs here.
Okay, where do I put my legs?
On the sides.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, are you gonna go down the hill? Oh my god. This is the first time I've ever ridden it. Oh my god. This is not 2 miles an hour.